Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And yeah, I got me some lights so you can see now. This is kind of our mowing shop, that's what we call it. Super unorganized, crap thrown everywhere. It's getting on my nerves, so I'm gonna fix it. You saw my other shop where we put the racks up. So I'm gonna kind of give you a little idea how to organize some equipment or how I wanna organize my equipment. Obviously this isn't gonna work for every single last lawn care company because each scenario may be a little bit different or you may not have the exact same setup as I got or whatever, but maybe you'll get an idea from this. I'm gonna transform this shop and create an incredible amount of space that I didn't have before. So let's get with it. All right, well there you go, day one. My racks actually showed up a day early, which was awesome. So I know it still looks like an absolute nightmare in here, but racks all the way down the right. We got racks in the back, got one more set of racks to put up. And I need to grab one more 8-foot upright to extend the rack down there because I have more space than I thought. This is awesome. This is really, really big. It's gonna open this thing up so much. I cannot wait to get done. So be back tomorrow and we'll finish it up. Man, talk about a difference. That and just super excited about this. I really like the fact that it opened up the shop a little bit. The two big green reel mowers, they're gone in about a month. Again, I'm just housing those for a buddy of mine, and they're going to take them back and start using them on their athletic fields. So they'll be out, and I'll kind of open it up a little bit more. It's pretty cool. I kind of got my ABI stuff by itself. The majority of the Ventrac stuff is back in a corner. I picked up these pallets for $8 a piece, and we put a piece of solid plywood on top so that the little legs and things like that on the implements wouldn't fall through the what is it, corrugated holes or something, whatever. The plastic pallets got holes all in the top of them. Couldn't find any solid top ones, so I got a bunch of the ones like I got for $8, plywooded them to give it a solid top, and it actually sturdied it up a little bit. And now I've got all the implements, and I've got them put up in the order of how I use them. The more important stuff: power rake, reel mower, what's back there, the aerovator, things like I would use more often, and the heaviest weight, I left all that on the floor. So I can just drive right up to it with a Ventrac and hook up. Things that I would use a little bit more often, or a little bit less often, tough cut, finish mower, landscape rake, stuff like that. I put that second level, and then the stuff where I would only use once in a blue moon, like the tiller, blower, I only use it during leaf season, and a snowplow back there, I got that stuff up kind of high. And of course I got me a new trencher to put my irrigation in with out here, Ventrac trencher. Can't wait to show you that. And of course it's right here, as I know I'm going to be using it pretty soon. I'm telling you, I'm super fortunate. I am super blessed. I have some incredible men working for me. I absolutely love my employees. They can have the shirt off my back if they need it, and they get in here, they bust their tail, they work hard, they listen, we communicate well as a team. Not a lot of fussing and fighting. Of course, we're like any other guys. We like to cut up and carry on and all that, but overall, they realize when it's time to work, let's get in there and get the job done. And I'm very respectful of that, and I'm thankful that they respect me as their boss. And man, it's just been it's awesome having a group of guys that you can get in here and get it done, and there's no conflict or nothing. I just absolutely love that. Now, yeah, I read them comments. I know a lot of you want to meet the guys, and yes, I've asked them, and kind of mixed opinions on that. So I'll continue to kind of encourage them, because I love to get you to meet the guys. So they can kind of get a little screen time, or whatever you want to call it, and just meet and get to know them, and just find out just how good of people that they really are. So hey, God is good. God is faithful. And I've got a lot more room because of it. I'm just really tickled right now. This is really, really cool for me. This video is twofold. One is, you may be someone kind of in my position. You're kind of running out of room. I need some ideas for space and that kind of thing. And I can't go out anymore except right here. But I can go up. I'm fortunate my ceilings they're not super tall. This is 8 foot. The bottom of this beam is 8 foot. So these are all 8 foot racks. And then in the other warehouse, those are 12 foot racks because I can go higher. So that was kind of my only option, is to go up, research the racks, and they work phenomenally. We got everything on a pallet, so if I need something, let's say I need this trencher, I just come in here with a tow motor and pick it up, set it in the floor, ride to it with a Ventrac, hook up to it, and burn the road up. Second part of this video, or the reasoning for it, was I know that there's a guy or a girl out there that they watch this stuff. You're just like I used to be. Used to sit around and watch videos and say, man, look at that dude that's got that, and look, he's got that, and look, he's got that. Man, that's so cool to have a company that's growing like that, and have a company that it has all this different equipment and cool employees and that kind of thing. And I know I've been there and done that. You got these dreams to have that. And I want this to be an encouragement to you. I want to encourage you. Well, hopefully you're a person of faith. I've trusted God to get me to where I'm at. If you're not, either way, I want you to bust your tail. I didn't get to where I'm at by sitting on my tail. Yeah, I do get to sit on my butt a little bit right now because I'm in that position. But I did not get to this point by being lazy. I had one truck, borrowed my dad's trailer, had to go borrow a buddy's blower, had a little mower, and I ran the hustle every single day. And I busted my tail. And it's paying off. That was 17 years ago, but it's absolutely paying off. So I want to encourage you, if you're sitting around with those big dreams, watching this nut show you how to put up racks in a warehouse, hey, you can do this. You can be in my shoes if you choose to. We live in America, greatest country in the entire world. You got the opportunity, it's right there in front of you. Make the best of it. Have that go-getter attitude. I'm not going to quit attitude. I don't care how hard it gets. I don't care if it's raining. I don't care if it's cold. I don't care if it's smoking hot. Get out there and bust your tail and you can do it. Thank you for watching. Check you later.